All right. How's it going, everybody? Happy Pride. My name is Chad from WonderSpark Puppets, and I'm so excited to perform one of our favorite shows, Fox Fables, for you guys today. It's a mixture of Aesop's fables and ancient Jewish storytelling and this kind of amazing mashup. Let's see. So before we get to that, who here has seen a puppet show before? Let's see. A couple of you guys I can see. All right. So you may know that there are two very important rules for watching a performance, right? Rule number one is during the show, you have to stay seated at all times. Can you guys do that? Give me a thumbs up if you can stay seated. Hope so. Hoping so. All right. Rule number two for being a great audience member is during the show, you have to be what? Quiet. So you can hear everything that's happening on stage. But feel free to laugh, clap, and have a good time. This is a very, very silly show, so get ready to laugh a lot. All right, now, in our story today, there is a fox. Let's see, who's heard of the animal, the fox, before? Let's see, maybe a couple of you guys. Let's see. So, what color is a fox? Let's think about this. Let's see, definitely orange, white, and some whites. Let's see, does a fox have two pointy ears? Yes. Does a fox have a long tail? Yes. And in our story today, the fox is going to lose his tail, and that's where his adventure begins. So we're going to do two things. We're going to switch over to action cam. There it is. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. Boop. Okay. And to start off the show, we're going to count from 10 all the way to 1 together, and then the show will start. All right, so let's all count together. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, WonderSpark Puppets is proud to present Fox Fables. Once upon a time, there was a fox. This fox had a long and beautiful tail, and everywhere he went, he sang, "Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I love my tail, I love my tail, I love my T-A-I-L tail, 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 I love my T-A-I-L tail." Now, one day, the fox fell into a hunter's trap, and he and his tail were separated. Pull! Yow! What was that? Oh, am I okay? Let me see. A wallet, keys, cell phone. Everything's there. I guess I'm okay. Wait. Wait. Boys and girls, what is that? Wait. Is that my tail? Oh, no, that can't be my tail. My tail's right here, see? Wait a minute. Wait. I think that is my tail. No. I refuse to accept this. I'm just going to get my tail and get some glue and glue that back onto my butt. Okay, come here, tail. Wait a minute. I said, come here, tail. Wait. I said, come here, tail. Hey, get over here. Hey, get back. Where are you going? Hey, get over here. Why are you running? Why are you going? Come on, tail. Come back. I need you. Come on, please. Oh, why are you chasing me? Whoa. Get over here. Where'd he go? Where's my tail? Let me see my tail. Hey, get over here. Boys and girls, let me see my tail. Behind me. I don't see it. Wait, where is my? Get over Come here, tail. Yeah. Come here. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Ow. It's on my face. Stop the music. Stop the music. Oh, my tail. It's gone forever. Oh. So, the fox and his tail were separated, and life became very hard for that fox. For all the animals of the forest would laugh at him wherever he went. For what is a fox without his tail? Oh, my tail. It's gone. Well, you know what? Maybe it's not so bad. I mean, maybe no one will notice.
Hi, I love my tail, I love my tail, I love my tail. Oh, hello, fellow fox.
Oh, hi, little fox.
Hey, have you seen my tail? Hey, I want you to squeeze my tail.
What? Wait, you want me to squeeze your tail?
Yeah, come on. It'll be great. Squeeze my tail.
Boys and girls, should I squeeze his tail? Yeah, all right, fine. I'll squeeze your tail. All right, here we go. I'm just holding it up. Okay, I'm squeezing.
Yeah, I love my tail. Oh, let's see your tail.
What? You want to see my tail?
Yeah, come on. It'll be great. Show me your tail.
No, I don't wanna.
What? Oh, come on. Show me your tail.
No, I don't wanna.
What? Wait a minute, something strange is happening. Hey, you! Turn around!
Okay.
Ah! You don't have a tail!
I know, I'm sorry. Oh. Oh.
Weirdo.
Oh.
You don't have a tail. La 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 la. Hey, you're not fox.
Wait. I'm not?
No. Everybody knows that foxes have long, beautiful tails. You're just a weird orange dog. Fun doggy. Who let the dogs out of you? Bye-bye.
No. A dog? Seriously? Oh, but wait. What if he's right? How can I be a fox without my tail? Maybe I am a dog. Well, you know what? If I'm gonna be a dog, I'm gonna go live with the dogs. So, the fox with no tail went to go live with the dogs. Meanwhile, a lonely little lion cub looked for a friend.
Wow! A lion, run!
So, the fox with no tail went to go live with the dogs. He left the forest and went to a local farm where he knew a dog lived. Hello? Hello, dog? Hello? I don't see a dog anywhere. Hey, boys and girls, have you seen a dog around? Oh, wait. I think I see what you're... Oh, you're saying the dog is over here? I don't see anything. Well, wait, where's this dog? Wait. I got it. You're saying the dog is down here? I don't see anything there. Where's this dog? Wait a second. Wait. I got it. Okay. You're saying the dog is under here? Wait, I don't see anything. Where's the dog? Wait, this is the dog? Oh, why didn't you say so? Oh, he's asleep? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wake him up nice and gentle. First impressions mean everything. Okay, here we go. Okay. Hello? All right, you know, I'm gonna try it a little bit louder. Okay, here we go. Okay. Hello? All right. Hey, you know what? Maybe we can all try it together. All right, on the count of three, we'll all shout hello and wake this dog up. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hello! Oh man, this is not working. Oh wait. You know what? Hold up. Hold everything. Wait. I got a trick. My bubby taught me this. This always works. Okay. All right. Next verse. Okay, here we go. All right, final verse. Okay, here we go. Hey, it worked. Oh, hey, hello, dog. Wait a minute. I spy with my little eye a fox. Get out of here, fox! No, okay, listen. I am not a fox. But you look like a fox. Therefore, you are a fox. Get out of here, fox! No, okay, listen. Look, don't all foxes have long, beautiful tails? Well, yes. And look, I do not have a tail. Woof! Oh, it's true. You don't have a tail. If you look like a fox, but you don't have a tail, then what are you? I was thinking maybe I could be a dog. Woof! A dog, you say? Well, how do I know you're really a dog? Oh, I know. I'll give you the dog test. Wait, the dog test? What's that? Oh, it's amazing. It's simple, and it's lots of fun. All you gotta do is repeat after me. Repeat after, I don't know. Oh, the tests give me stress. Hey, but boys and girls, can you take this test with me, please? Yeah? Okay, thanks. Okay, we're ready to take the dog test. All right, just remember, repeat after me, okay? Okay, all right, here we go. Woof, 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 woof. Bark, 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 bark. Grrr, grow. All right. Okay, fine. You passed. You're all officially dogs. Oh, hey, we did it. I'm a dog. Wow, it feels so great to belong again. Wow. Okay, you know what? What do dogs, like to do all day? Oh, it's great. First, we wag our tails. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work for me. Oh, what else do dogs like to do all day? Oh, it's great. Then we chase our tails. Oh, yeah, it's not gonna work for me either. What else do dogs like to do all day? Oh, it's great. Then we sniff each other's butts. Did you just? Ew! I can't. But you know what? I don't know if I want to be a dog anymore. Oh. Well, if you're not a fox or a dog, then what are you? Oh, I don't know. Oh, wait, you know what? Maybe you're a wolf. Wait, I'm a wolf? Oh, sure. I've heard of red wolves before. Hey, get out of here, wolf! Hey, thanks, dog. Hey, maybe I'm a wolf. I'm gonna go live with the wolves. See ya. No, wait, Oh, hey. I chased away a fox and a wolf. I am a very good boy. So, the fox with no tail went to go live with the wolves. He left the farm and went to the mountains where he knew a wolf lived. Are you guys ready for the mountains? All right, here they come. Hello? Oh, what a tall mountain. Hello, wolf? I'm gonna climb all the way up. Oh, okay. All right, I'm on the mountain. I don't see any wolves. Hey, boys and girls, have you seen a wolf around? No, I'm not even a wolf of Wall Street. Well, hey, you know what? Wait a second. Wait, what sound does a wolf make? Oh, yeah. They howl. Yeah. All right. So let's all howl together on 3. Maybe a wolf will show up. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Huh? Who's howling? Look, it's a real wolf. Okay. First-person being everything. Okay. I'm a wolf. Okay, I can do this. Okay. Excuse me. Get off.
Fox, get out of here. This is a wolf-only mountain. Get out, get out, get out.
Oh, that went poorly. Okay, I can do this. Okay, take two. Okay, I'm a wolf. Okay, I got this. Okay. Excuse me.
Get off. Fox, get out of here. This is a wolf-only mountain. Get out, get out, get out.
Oh, I went just as bad. Okay, I can do this. Okay, third time's a charm, right? Okay, now I'm just gonna not move so I don't trip. Okay, I'm a wolf. Okay. Excuse me, Mr. Wolf. I was wondering.
Hey, get off. Fox, look, this is a wolf.
No. Listen, okay, listen. I am not a fox.
What? But, you smell like a...
I smell like a what?
No. You smell like a...
I smell like a what?
Look at me. Achoo! Oh, no. You smell like a fox. Therefore, you are a fox. And I'm allergic to foxes. Oh, gross. Hold on, I'm just gonna wipe my nose off. Hold on. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, boogers. Yeah. Oh, just get it all that snot off. Gross.
No, okay, listen. Look, I am not a fox. Look, don't all foxes have long, beautiful tails?
Well, yes.
And look, all right, I do not have a tail.
Huh? Well, I can't really see so well. You know what? I'll sniff it out. Okay, here we go. No. You definitely smell like a...
I smell like a what?
You definitely smell like a...
I smell like a what?
Come here. Achoo! Oh, no. You definitely smell like a fox. And foxes make me sneeze. Oh, gross. Hold on. I'm just going to blow my nose. Hold on. Ew, gross. Oh, it's on my fur.
Okay, listen. Look, I'm not a fox, but because I don't have a tail, and I tried to be a dog, and that just didn't work. So I was thinking maybe I could be a wolf.
What? Wolf, you say? How do I know you're really a wolf? Let me think. Oh, wait, I know. I'll give you the wolf test.
Wait, wolf? There's a wolf test now? Hey, boys and girls, have you heard of a wolf test before? Me neither. I thought that tested kids for everything. Well, you know what? What's the wolf test?
Well, the wolf test is a musical test. Yes, we wolves are musical creatures. We like to howl and sing and clap our claws.
Oh no, music test? Oh, I flunked out a chorus. Hey, boys and girls, can you take this test with me, please? Yeah? Okay, thanks. Okay, all right. Okay, we're ready to take the wolf test.
All right. It's a musical test, so sing along if you know the words and clap your hands. You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready, boys and girls? Okay, good. All right. We're ready.
All right, here it is. Okay. If you're a wolf and you know it, clap your hands. You're a wolf and you know it, clap your hands. You're a wolf and you know it and you really want to show it. You're a wolf and you know it, clap your hands. Now howl. All right, fine. You passed. You're all officially wolves.
Oh, hey, we did it! We We did it! I'm a wolf! I'm a wolf! Wow! It feels so great to belong again!
No hugs, no, stop, no. You still smell like a beer.
I smell like a what?
No, you still smell like a beer.
Like a what?
No, like a beer. Like a beer. Like a beer. Achoo! No. You still smell like a fox. Oh, gross.
Oh no, boys and girls, what am I gonna do? I mean, I want to be a wolf, but not if I'm just making everyone sneeze all the time. Oh, if I'm not a fox or a dog or a wolf, then what am I?
Oh. That's hard. Well, oh, wait, you know what? I know someone who can help you.
Wait, you do?
Yes, the King of Beasts.
The King of Beasts? Well, who's that?
Well, come here, listen up, it's a little secret. Everyone say, shh. Shh. All right, listen up. So, the King of Beasts is a big, ferocious, fox-eating lion. Ah! Wait, no, wait, come on back. Wait, come on back.
You said he eats foxes?
Yes. As soon as he sees a fox, he eats it. Ah! Wait, no, wait, come on back. Wait, come on back.
I don't want to get eaten.
Now look, it may be hard, but it's the only way for you to really know who you are.
Oh no.
All right, get off my mountain. You're making me sneeze. Where's my elephant Kleenex?
Oh no. Boys and girls, what am I going to do? I mean, I want to know who I am, but I don't want to get eaten. Oh, what am I going to do? Well, you know what? I have to know. Okay, here I go to the lion's den. All right. So, the fox with no tail went to the lion's den. Can everyone say, "Moo"? But when he got there, it was dark and spooky. Can we all say, "Ooh"? Oh, okay. All right, I should be close to the lion's den. Oh, it's so dark and spooky. Okay, I'm looking and, look! There it is. The entrance to the lion's den. Oh, this is way too scary. Whoa, you know what? Maybe I'm just scaring myself for no reason, right? I mean, maybe it won't be so bad. I mean, oh, look! There's little animal footprints going into the lion's den, and, don't see any coming out. Oh, look! Here's a little pile of animal bones and... Animal bones! Oh, that's it. I don't need to know who I am. I'm just going to go home. Bye-bye.
Bang, 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 bang.
Hey, it's my tail!
Bang, bang, bang.
My tail went into the lion's den. Oh no. Oh no, I have to go. Okay, I can do this. Okay, I can be brave. Okay, here we go.
No! Don't go in there! He'll eat all foxes! He'll gobble you up for sure!
What? Wait, little fox, what are you doing here?
No, look, don't go in there, okay? You're a fox. He'll eat you up for sure!
What? Wait a minute, but you said that I wasn't a fox.
Oh, yeah. Look, I'm sorry, okay? I said some really horrible things. I just lashed out and... Look, Look, the truth is that I lost my tail too.
What? But your tail? No. Your tail's right here. See?
Well, that's that's just a dog's chew toy that I stapled onto my butt. Okay? Oh, the heart of a tail that squeaks. Look, I get really self-conscious about it, and I said some really terrible things. Okay, I'm sorry, but you don't have to go in there. Don't throw your life away.
Wow. Well, thanks, little fox. You know what? I know how you feel.
What? You do?
Yeah. Now, stand aside. I'm going to go in there and find out who I really am.
Whoa. Well, you're either really, really brave or totally crazy. I warned you. Bye-bye.
Okay. I'm going in. All right. Can everyone say knock, knock? Excuse me, Mr. King of Beasts, sir? Oh, something's coming! Oh, here it comes! Wait. What? Wait, you're the King of Beasts? What? Wait. I was so scared. You're so little and cute. Hey, that's my tail, and I want it back. No. That's my tail. I want it back right now. Hey, I said, give me my tail. Give me back my tail. Daddy! Daddy? Oh, I'm getting a really bad feeling about this. Oh, something really big is coming. Oh, he's huge. Oh, no. Yeah. Wait! This is way too scary for a children's puppet show. No, please, Mr. King of Beasts, sir. Oh, please, look. Before you eat me, I just need you to tell me who I really am. Because look, I was once a fox, but I don't have a tail. And I tried being a dog, that just didn't work. I tried being a wolf, I just made everyone sneeze. So I'm begging you, can you please tell me who I really am?
Well, I'll give you the lion test.
Wait, there's a lion test now? Wait, is that where you can tell if I'm telling the truth?
No. The lion test is very simple, okay? First, bend down.
Okay.
Then, close your eyes.
Okay.
Then, say goodbye. Yeah.
You licked me!
Ew! Well, you taste like a fox, therefore you are a fox.
Wait a minute. Wait. You said that I taste like a fox? Wait. The wolf said that I smelled like a fox. Wait. And the dog said that I looked like a fox. Well then I must be a fox. Hey, tail or no tail, I'm a fox through and through. Hey, I'm a fox.
Hey, go be a fox somewhere else. You bother my kid. Man, right in the middle of the playoffs.
Hey everyone, I'm a fox. I'm a fox. So, the fox with no tail became a fox once more. For no matter what you lose, you cannot lose yourself. And as for that tail, well, let's just say that everyone lived happily ever after. The end.
Thank you. That's our show. Give yourselves a big round of applause. You guys were a wonderful audience. Excellent job, guys. Woo! You did it. You made it all the way to the end. Nice job. Once again, my name is Chad from WonderSpark Puppets. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Thank you so much to the 14th Street Y. And once again, happy Pride. I want you guys to have an amazing week. It's such a beautiful day outside, at least over here on us on Western New York and the other side of the states. But thank you once again. My name is Chad from WonderSpark Puppets. And I hope to see you all at the theater soon. Who knows when the day will come? Until then, we'll keep streaming. Okay? So thanks. And big shout out to Chrissy, who's running tech for this one. Thanks, Chrissy. Okay. Bye, guys. See you soon.